Endeavour Instrument. Quality, durability, and innovation are the pillars of strength, stabilizing a journey of growth and excellence. These three essentials are rooted deep in the ideologies of our team and help us work passionately on the company's vision of providing our clients with exceptional products and services. The stellar journey of Endeavour Instrument has completed 30 years of spectacular service and remarkable quality of products. The foundation of the now world-renowned company was laid in 1992 with a prime directive of delivering products that solve industrial problems affiliated with lifting and weighing. We have been in the industry for long enough to understand and cater to the specific needs of our clients by providing them with cutting-edge solutions and premium products that contribute to the efficiency and accuracy of the operations our clients are working on. The customized solutions and products are a result of round-the-clock efforts of our research and development team that improvises and innovates to come up with ideas that are changing the face of the industry. The team is constantly looking for technological advancements in our industry domain and how we can implement them to improve our product's quality and the client's end results. The synchronization between the R&D team and the manufacturing unit is impeccable and leads to industry's finest product line. We have also emphasized expanding our inventory and product range in our business expansions. Our product range now includes weighing machines, weigh bridges, hanging scales, EOT cranes, wire rope hoist, and more. The vivid range of products is manufactured in-house at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Changodar near Ahmedabad. The manufacturing unit has a vast 60,000 square feet that can deliver 17 units weigh bridge every month. All the modern machinery with the latest software and hardware upgrades are monitored by the industry's experienced technicians who precisely monitor the operations and deployment of the finished products. Every product that makes it out to the world is exposed to rigorous tests and quality assurance checks to ensure on-site safety after deployment. The extended corporate family of Endeavour Instruments comprises of 150 people dedicated to working on the company's vision of achieving global market dominance by the end of the decade. We emphasize executing swift transactions with a minimalistic turnaround time for our customers to improve efficiency. This is carried out by our expert team of 45 professionals at our corporate office.
At Endeavour, our vision is to grow our company by 15 to 20% growth in each segment for each year. We would like to be in a leadership position among the top 3 players in the every line we represent, may it be MHE or weighing or retail or softwares or customer care division. We want to be a 100% government tax related compliant company. Related to our clients and endeavors, we are here to provide them with a reliable product, good manufacturing practices, good HR practices. Delivery and installation should be in a manner that it should be hassle-free for our client, and we give very much emphasis on the after-sales service so that whatever products we supply, client is not facing any issue after the warranty period.
We at Endeavour having 2 product range into our basket. One is a weigh bridge and second is material handling equipments. So as such, our mission is a growth on year-on-year basis is 25%. For achieving this goal, we are looking for the satisfaction level of our customers by supplying them the delivery on time and whatever committed by our sales team. For this proper supply, we are having a proper technocrat administrator as well as technocrat production staff to supply the right product into the right manner. And we consider our supply chain, the vendors who are supplying to us, also part of our team. We try to keep them satisfied from all level from payment side as well as for a long-term relation basis to achieve the goal of perfect quality. So looking to this all aspects, we always work with the technocrat trained service engineers and installation engineers to produce the things and to install the things in the line.
Years of dedication towards providing the best quality and durable instruments at competitive prices have consolidated a commanding position in the industry, with the privilege of working with the companies like Energy Mission Machinery Private Limited, BAC Engineers, Gandhi Realty, Resic Engineering Private Limited, Harsha Engineering, Astral Pipe, who have proved their mantle and led their respective industry domains. The operations and export data over the recent years are progressing in the direction of global expansion, and we are committed to providing our clients with the absolute best because supreme quality is the prime directive at Endeavour Instrument.